$55? Okay, I'm gonna look up to see if this is a sample size or if this half-ounce 15 milliliter tube is $55 if this is the full size. That is insane. OMG. Hi everyone, I'm super excited that you've decided to come back to my channel and check out. Today I will be doing a Boxycharm unboxing, and this is for the month of January 2020. For those of you who don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a beauty box subscription where they have 3 different subscription levels. One is $25 a month where you get 5 full-size products with a value of over $125. Then they have the Boxycharm Boxyluxe, which every quarter you can pay an additional $28.99, so the total value of the box is $50, and you get 8 plus full-size products. I subscribe to that. It's every quarter, so March, June, September, and December. So we just had the Boxyluxe last month, so this month is a regular box. And then the third is a newer subscription level, which is the Boxy Premium, and that's $35 a month. Today we are doing the $25 subscription. So let's get started. This is what she looks like. And one second while I undo the tape. Alright, let's dig on in and see what we got this month. You open the box. That's what it looks like. On top is a card, which will give the pricing. This month's theme is breaking the ice. Okay. So, ooh, I already see something that looks exciting. That's what we got. Let me grab the exciting item. And this is from Skin&Co. This is a polishing micro exfoliating truffle face Gommage. It's made in Italy and it's 150 milliliters, which is 5.07 fluid ounces. That's quite a large. I know this is full size based off of the milliliters. So let's see what Boxycharm has to say about that. It's a delicate exfoliating cream with a rich texture and smoothing fragrance. Truffle Therapy Face Gommage is a lush formula combining the best of the iconic Mediterranean lifestyle and the luxury blah blah blah. The suggested retail price is $28. So that is full size. Okay, Boxycharm. So far so good. Alright, item number 2. Let's reach in. And, ooh, what is this? Is that a lip? I don't know what that is, so let's read. Alright, that is by Manna, Kadar, Beauty Simplified, Lip Whip Faith. Okay, so I was correct. It is a lip product. And what does this say on the card? This is a matte lip color that is whipped to perfection, easy to apply, and formulated with long-lasting pigments that don't dry out your lips. And the retail value is $21. Alright, let me open this up. We'll do a little swatch, see what colors we have. This is so hard. Very tiny doe foot applicator. color, it's not a red, not a pink, kind of a deeper dusty rose. It definitely looks on the skin a little deeper than what's in the bottle. I will give it a try when I'm not already wearing lip. Okay, item number 3. What is this? Ooh. Just got the name. This is from Glow Recipe. I believe this might have been the item I selected. I honestly can't remember what I chose. You do get to, with the Boxycharm, you get to select one of your items. Alright, this is Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. The Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask is a bouncy, breathable sleeping mask that smooths and perfects skin overnight. The waterproof formula acts as a radiance boosting face mask formulated with soothing amino acid rich watermelon extract, hydrating hyaluronic acid, and pore refining AHAs that work while you sleep. Alright, as a WIGO mature, when you get old is what WIGO stands for, woman, I dig a face mask. I love skin cream. Interesting packaging. So I'm excited to try that. Okay. Item number 4 is, ooh, I like this brand. Dr. Brandt 24x7 Retinol Eye Cream. I need a new eye cream. I have been using a sleeping mask by Dr. Brandt. And this came in my very first ever Boxycharm. I started subscribing in September or maybe August of last year, 2019. So, super excited about this one. Let's take it out. The packaging. Let's read up on this. And this is 0.5 fluid ounces or 15 milliliters. And what does the card say? Okay, Dr. Brandt Skincare 24x7 Retinol Eye Cream. All eyes are on you with this potent yet gentle, light reflecting and age fighting eye cream. A perfect combination of retinol and ruby crystal complex that gives your eyes the attention they deserve. $55? Okay, I'm going to look up to see if this is a sample size or if this half ounce 15 milliliter tube is $55 if this is the full size. That is insane. OMG. Okay. And last but not least, we have, ooh, okay, I am pretty sure this is a concealer, because Boxycharm is going to be starting to send out face products, face makeup products, concealers and foundations, and actually for my February, I already selected, you get to select one item, and I chose the foundation. So let me read up on this before I stick my foot in my mouth. Okay, so this is my Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer. I was correct. Now, a couple months ago, Boxycharm had sent us from Pretty Vulgar as well. This here was a sample pack for us to test out what complexion we were, what shade would best match our complexion. And let's see what they sent to me. This off the bat looks very pink, or pink undertones, and almost too light for me, but we shall see. I'm still excited. All right. So this is the Undercover Concealer, is a lightweight gel serum concealer. Gel serum concealer. Formulated to be hydrating, buildable, and provide medium coverage with a natural flawless finish. Infused with vitamin E and galacto-arabinanin, a big scientific word that I cannot pronounce, to keep skin moisturized and rejuvenated. Okay, interesting. I'm all about the looking younger than I am. What was the one they sent us, though? It was from Pretty Vulgar. This was their lightweight concealer. Okay, so this is same brand, but a different formula than what they originally sent. So I am very curious. Let's do a color swatch. Yes. Oh, interesting. The doe foot is interesting. It's kind of, you can see that. It's like bent. Huh. I know that's useful if you, for lips. I've never seen an under eye doe foot that's bent like that. Okay. If you can see that. It's right next to the lipstick there. Okay, so that's a pretty good color match for me. Let's rub that in. I'm excited to give it a try. I will try it for more complete. I just had a little extra on my finger and had to dab it under my eyes. Okay, so that is the January 2020 Boxycharm box for the month. What do you think? What are your thoughts? So let's recap. We got a Skin&Co face scrub Gommage. We got a $55 Dr. Brandt Retinol Eye Cream. We got this liquid lipstick by a company I've never heard of called Manna something. We got the Pretty Vulgar Hydrating Concealer and the Glow Recipe night mask or sleeping mask. I'm digging the Boxycharm. I just did an unboxing of the Ipsy, and spoiler alert, Boxycharm once again, in my opinion, kicked Ipsy's booty. So please leave your comments below. What do you subscribe to Ipsy and or Boxycharm? Do you subscribe to both? If so, which was your preference this month? All right, thanks everyone for stopping by, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and pass along the link. See you next time.